Hi, I am Toby. I'm from a leading solar factory in China. We specialize in kitchen and bathroom essentials, including instant electric water heaters, electrical water taps, small kitchen water heaters, and shower head. Today I am taking you inside Thursday to the art factory. We boast large-scale production lines and abundant inventory. Every product is crafted with exquisite craftsmanship in carefully selected core components, ensuring maximized production pass-battle times. The quality is solid and reliable. Every single unit undergoes 100 comprehensive testing before leaving the factory. We guarantee no liquid leakage, no water leakage, and perfect heating and temperature control. Only after passing strict multi-layered inspections Janet list. We also offer full custom position support, adjuster, sample rating, replace core heating components, Dora Durex Cursor logo valve, laser marking, we can do it all. 4.R, available for immediate shipment, and Wabra Polyfry after less service for our complete peace of and you can place orders securely through Alibaba's trade assurance. For global buyers with procurement needs, contact Toby in time for cooperation. Let's build a win-win partnership.